What's going on? I'm Whit. Welcome to my channel where I primarily do budget watches, and this is the king of Swiss budget watches here. This is an SWC, Swiss watch company, Bunker. Yes, that's right. These are very popular, and you're about to find out why. A knife is not really needed for this one, but it's Smith & Wesson Day. Let's do it. Can't keep it all on camera. Oh, yes, the aroma already. Oh, there it is. Oh. I just love these cases. I mean, it's just the perfect, useful manufacturer's watch case. And you saw the package. It makes it ship to you so much easier. And then you've got a nice storage case for your watch. So inside this 3-snap closure is room for, oh, little love note, thank you, is room for 2 watches. And so yours is going to come with the extra strap in one side, and then you've got the watch in the other side. And then your warranty card, this bent spring bar is on purpose, because if you use that nylon strap, it's easier to thread it through with the purposely bent spring bar. You've got your warranty here. You can see this is a 3-year warranty on this watch. They really stand behind their product. So on the back of the love note is the regulation. So you see that they do regulate their movements before they head out, and you've got the plus or minus seconds per day rounded up at each of those positions. All right, let's get into what we're here for. Oh, look what they did. Just that sneak peek there, and I know what's going on. So there is a new color variation of the Bunker, and this is it. I'm so excited they were able to send me this one. This is really a show-off. So this is the new color variation, which is dark gray, and it's got a DLC, diamond-like coating, on the titanium case. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. So I mentioned in my opening that the Bunker is so popular. This just recently, the Bunker came into restock, and at the time of me filming this video, there are literally just a few pieces left. They're almost sold out again, and they already sold out of this one, the new color variation. So again, if you're seeing this video now, you just have to keep checking out their website and follow them on Instagram to get any updates for restock dates. And then you've got to move quick. So save your money and have it set aside, ready to go for restocks. Look at this. That is just absolutely beautiful. As we go in tight on the dial, you can see that AR coating on the sapphire crystal. This has got, just like the Arc, 16 layers of anti-reflective coating. And look at that. I mean, it barely, my studio light usually will, you'll see a bright white light going across. You see that bar here, just that blue hue? It's so thick, the application, that it really knocks out that glare. And then again, you've got that brushed handset that appears to be polished when the light hits it. Just beautiful. Seconds hand with that lollipop on the counterbalance and a nice splash of blue right on the tip. And you see that it stretches all the way out to the chapter ring. Beautiful numerals that look to be outlined in that same blue color, if I'm not mistaken. And you can see the Swiss Watch Company logo has a blue accent in the center of it as well. You've got a signed screw-down crown, drilled lugs. This is titanium number 2, and again, this new variation has DLC coating on it, also hardened to 1,000 Vickers, which will help you with your scratch resistance. Oh, you want to take that off? Yeah, I know you do. Look out. Oh, surprise me. Oh, no. That one didn't come off clean. Oh, I'm going to have to clean that up. I wonder what the deal is there. Super grippy adhesive. Okay, I got it cleaned up. Maybe, I don't know, that had something to do with the DLC coating or something. You can see even the leftovers of where the adhesive was Might be just from me cleaning it up right now. Maybe that'll diminish over a little bit of time here, but it was kind of weird. I didn't like that. Anyway, so you've got the usual specs on the outside. You see their logo, and then all titanium number 2, 10 ATM, sapphire crystal, and Swiss made. And then you see their logo and signature, bunker, and your serial number. So again, why are these so popular? You're talking about a fully Swiss made watch with the 16 layers of AR coating, the 20 layers of X1 grade Swiss Superluminova, and a titanium case, sapphire crystal, drilled lugs. It's running the Sellita SW200-1 full Swiss movement. It beats at 28,800 vibrations per hour, 4 hertz. And you're talking about $430 for this watch. So a completely Swiss-made watch, nice leather strap. You get a nylon strap as well, which I'll show you. Under $500. I don't know how they're doing it. I mean, they must have some great connections. The watches are all manufactured in Switzerland and quality checked there, and then they come here to the States. This is a USA company, but with personnel on site, family as well. It's a completely family-run company. Personnel on site in Switzerland to handle quality control. So the Sellita features hand winding and hacking, and you've got a quick set date as well. Let me just pull out to the hacking position, time setting, and make sure that we're out of the danger zone. Don't know if that was, see, it was PM. Nice changeover to that date. If you missed it, I'll do it again. But so first setting, or first click rather, we'll give you a quick set date. I'll go the other way. Is that a corner of the other? No, it's just a shadow. All right, cool. Nice snap. I like those numerals, how they take up the entire box of the date cutout. Looks nice. All right, so there's your date. And again, with the hacking, and if you want us to see the time flip over, I'll show it to you. All right, coming into play here. Starts to move a little. And we're reaching midnight. Oh, right there. You see a quick snap, too. We'll measure up now. The case diameter is coming in at 41.2 millimeters. It's listed as a 41 millimeter, and just a perfect case size for many. I know some like smaller cases, some like larger cases, and this one's just right, kind of in the middle, right? Lug to lug of 46.9 millimeters, and again, it's listed as a 46 millimeter. So I'm either off or somebody is. And then your lug width is 22 millimeters. Let's see, at the buckle, it will be almost 20. So about a 2 millimeter taper. And here's the star of the show, 10.5 millimeter thickness. I said that was the star of the show, but you know, the star of the show is the lightness. No fatigue from wearing this watch for the day. 53 grams on the supplied leather strap. The watch head alone is 42 grams. Well, while I had it off of the leather strap, I figured I'd put it on the other strap to show you what that looks like. These things, I am in love with them. I do think that seeing it on the leather strap, I think it's a much better fit looks-wise, but you cannot resist these nylon straps. They are so light and breathable and comfortable. It's just, these are awesome. They sell these on their own on their website as well if you want to add them to your existing watch. But I just think the breathability, the lightness, combined with the lightweight of the watch head just makes for a perfect match. So, but I might have to try the leather on this one. Let me throw it on. It looks like I'll be able to slip this one on, whereas on the Arc I could not. I had to actually unthread it up here. But today I'm wearing the Sovereign, the calendar, and just recently unboxed this. Check out that video here, and I'll do a full review of this as I wear it, and we get closer to the launch date of their Kickstarter. But this is a triple calendar automatic with power reserve Beautiful watch, and you're talking about a similar price range as the Bunker. Okay, so I've moved the Velcro tabs out towards the end, and I can easily slide in now, so I don't have to try and thread it on my wrist. So once you do that, you just kind of pull it to your liking, to your tightness liking, and there you have it. So that's my 8-inch wrist, 41 millimeter diameter on this watch. I didn't push that down all the way. Okay, back to the leather strap, and this is beautiful leather as well. You can see the stitching is done very nice. You got that white contrast stitching, and the band itself is padded. It's very dense, so I think that's got some great material inside. It is still pliable, but it's very stiff as a brand new strap. Looking forward to breaking this one in. And you can see a nice soft leather on the backside, and quick release spring bars as well. Swiss Watch Company. That's the second time I've done that. Swiss Watch Company logo on the keeper side, and you do see that sliding keeper here and a fixed one there. Then you've got the titanium buckle, which also appears to be DLC. Can't quite tell. I'm not that familiar with the process, but it looks identical to that, so I believe it is. And you can see their logo on the buckle. All right, and there it is on the leather strap. Again, my 8-inch wrist, and it is very stiff. I went to the next to last hole, but it's, I mean, I feel like once it breaks in that I'll go down one hole tighter. You can see I can get my finger through there. It's just very, very stiff, so it's going to take a bit to get that broken in. I'm not sure, me having it probably only a week or so, if I'll ever get it that far, but I do like the way it looks on this strap. As much as I love those nylon straps that they have that I showed you a moment ago, it does really look nice on this leather strap, and I'm not sure which one I'm going to try. I might try them out. I might do them both just to compare. And FYI, that case back did clear up from that adhesive that I took off earlier. You can see it was just kind of a wet spot, so it all looks good now. So let's get on to what everybody's waiting for. Everybody wants to see the loom. All right, I promise I won't do that again. Okay, so this is that crisp, clean, super bright luminescence from the Swiss Watch Company Bunker. And this is 20 layers of X1 grade Swiss Super Luminova. Now, I do have to point out that in the video that I had of the Arc, which I was raving about the loom, I had a viewer comment and said that theirs was meh at best. And I thought, wow, we cannot be talking about the same watch here, right? And I realized, I think what we're talking about here, the difference is, I'm not debating whether they had that experience or not, just like I had a great experience with mine. Two different opinions, but I think what we're talking about here is the two different colors, or many in the case of the Arc, of luminescence from the various dial color variants. This one here, that being said, I think is a little bit more dim and not quite as long lasting as the Arc that I had. They're both loaners, so I don't have the Arc in house now to compare the two directly, but just from memory and looking at the other video, and then obviously my overnight wearing this to bed test, like I always do, this one's still very legible in the morning and still bright, as you can see in all these various loom shots I'm giving you, but just a little bit more dim than the Arc that I had. So that being said, I think if I were you, if super bright, long-lasting loom is your goal here, I would say just to be careful about your color variant selection and the loom that is associated with that watch. So again, this is just a powerhouse of a Swiss-made watch. I mean, the value that you get, again, in a Swiss-made piece for the price here is just incredible. $430. This is why they continually sell out. So again, follow Swiss Watch Company to be alerted whenever they do another restock, and get your hands on one of these if you're into this watch, because I'm sure the next restock will sell out as well. A recap, you're talking about titanium 2 case, and this one, the dark gray variant, is DLC coated, and a sapphire crystal with 16 layers of anti-reflective coating. I mean, there's times where it looks like there's no glass at all, where you can just reach through and grab that handset. And then when the light does hit it, you can see it's just bounced right off of there. Great legibility. I mean, look at those numerals. It doesn't matter how far away you are. You can easily see the time and the date. Look at that. I like this white date wheel with the black numerals. I think that the white matches the numerals indices really well. Again, 20 layers of X1 grade Swiss Superluminova, and 100 meters of water resistant screw down crown and screw down case back. You've got quick release spring bars on this leather strap, drilled lugs if you want to do some other strap changes. You've got the other nylon strap, and you get this beautiful leather double watch travel pouch. I don't know how they do it. I mean, it's great that they do, though. Please continue on. I'm not saying we're going to pay more. You listen to me, SWC. We're not paying any more, but we truly appreciate the value that you bring to the market, and you know that because that's why the watch keeps selling out. So priced great specs. This is just a monster of a watch. I can't wait to wear it for a while and give you a full review. So make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, so you can follow along and check out the full review when it pops up on my channel. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Really helps us out. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'm Whit with so many watches, so little time and money.